Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the interface ready. Confirm your iPad OS is up to date so gestures behave as expected. Then tap and hold any app icon until the icons jiggle, or pick Edit Home Screen from the menu. Once done, you can drag from the home screen to the dock or open the app library. This keeps apps accessible. Make sure to use one hand to steady the iPad and the other to move icons precisely, because small errors make clutter instead of order. You now reorganize content meaningfully. Drag an app onto another to form a folder, then give it a concise name that matches the category. Once you have one icon lifted, tap others to multi-select and move several apps or a batch into a folder in a single gesture. Make choices by priority. Place most used apps top left on a page and lesser used ones toward the bottom right. This visual logic saves time when you're hunting for an app later. You finish by locking in the layout and addressing common problems. Tap Done or press the Home button to exit jiggle mode and save your changes. If the home screen still feels crowded, open the dots indicator, uncheck whole pages to hide them in the app library, and keep only active pages visible. If an icon resists moving, restart the iPad and check guided access or screen time restrictions. Those settings often block edits. Once resolved, make small adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.